Today I'm going to show you how to make this beautifully textured box-like stitch. As you can see, it's got straight columns of knit stitches interspersed with some pearls. It's also got a couple of rows of just plain knits and pearls which separate these horizontal bands. The stitch pattern is very easy. It's a 4-row repeat, and the number of stitches you're going to need is a multiple of 3 plus 2. So I have 3, 6, 9, 12, which is my multiple of 3 plus 2. Row 1's nice and simple. Just knit all the way along. So knit every stitch. Now we're going to turn and do another simple row of just pearls. That's row 2. So row 1 is knit, row 2 is pearl. Now, row 3 is where we're going to change it up a little bit. We're going to start with 2 pearls. So this is the right side of our work. We start with 2 pearls, purl 2, and then knit 1. And repeat that all the way to the last 2 stitches. Purl 2, knit 1, purl 2, knit 1, purl 2, knit 1, and then the last 2 stitches are simply purl 2. And then the next row we're going to do the opposite of what we just did. So we're going to do knit 2 and purl 1 to the last 2 stitches. Knit 2, purl 1. Knit 2, purl 1, knit 2, purl 1 to the last 2, and then we knit 2. And that's your 4-row repeat, and it lies nice and flat because of the mixtures of knits and pearls and creates this beautiful textured stitch. So I hope you like it.